Okay, welcome back. I promised to share with you another video or another clip showing you how you can integrate these two applications so that you start doing automated trading. Yeah, so remember we have two applications. We have Binance and the bot UTrading app. They need to talk to each other through an API. Yeah, we need to pick information from Binance and feed it into the bot. So let me show you how to create an API in Binance. You go to Binance. After going to Binance, you go to your top left corner. Yeah, you go to more services. You go to search. So you search for API. You'll be directed to the API management page. You'll see these options. Kindly create API. Click create API. Leave this option. We need a system generated API. Then you click next. This label shows you the name of the API. You can call it anything you can identify with. Then you click next. After that, it will ask you for the two-factor authentication or your verification. Then you will use either Google Authenticator or any other application authentication that you have. So once that is done, you get a message API created. However, that's not it. We need to pick information from this API and feed it to the bot. We need to copy information. Now, to copy and edit, most of you will see that this particular option is ticked. Kindly untick this option because we are going to use our customed security controls. We don't want to use the default security controls from Binance. Yeah, so untick it and save. Once it's unticked, go to edit. When you go to edit, you scroll down a bit. You see an arrow pointing down, this arrow, to show you more information about the API key. You click it. Okay, you scroll down. Now these are two important parameters that you need to be aware of. One, the API key. This API key. Please copy this API key. Use the copy option and paste it in a WordPad or a notepad on your phone. Then copy the security key and paste it in a notepad or a WordPad on your phone. The API restrictions, we need to restrict what the API does. Enable reading, enable spot and margin trading, and also enable features. Now, one last restriction is we need to restrict trusted IPs. And these trusted IPs are IPs from UTrading bot. Okay, so we need to go to the UTrading bot and pick our IPs. These IPs can be got under the UTrading API Connect option. You click your preferred exchange. I use Binance. So we're going to copy these IPs. Click copy. And then navigate back to Binance so that we can paste those IPs. So where's my gesture? So you highlight restricted IPs and paste the IPs that you copied. Click confirm. These IPs will be added as trusted IPs. And once you're done with that, please save your API. Do not forget to copy the key and the API key and the secret key. Once you've done that, click save. Once you click save, it will request for verification again. Please have your verification done and your API key edit will be a success. So once you're done with that, get the information that you copied in your notepad, Navigate back to your UTrading. Then go back to API Connect under your exchange and paste those particular parameters in their required fields. API key to the API key field, secret key to the secret key field. You proceed and save. Once you have saved successfully, you go back to API. You notice that the system will tell you API is running normally. Then the integration is successful. And more so, to confirm, you can go to your assets to see if your Binance balance will be displayed down here under asset. Down here under asset. So this should reflect your futures balance. Yeah. So there we are done with integration. Once you're done with that, go ahead and buy gas. My next video is going to show you how you're going to buy gas so that we activate the bot. And then my last video will be to show you how to place the trades and let everything run by itself. Thank you guys. Bye bye.